So what do you do if you have inserted your SIM card into the iPhone but it still doesn't work or it doesn't get recognized? Okay, so let me show it to you what you could do if it's your first time in here. Subscribe and we can get started. So the very first step would be to reinsert it again. So we are going to grab the iPhone. You can see on the side we have the SIM tray, and I can use a SIM eject tool or basic paper clip, right? And we essentially want to take it out, so I'm going to use it with the other hand actually, but you can get inside like this. Make sure that you take out the SIM and also ensure that you have inserted it into the tray properly, right? So I can take it out like this, reposition it, and now I'm gonna take it inside of the iPhone again. So this is how I can push it in, and now we pay attention to what happens. Like in the control center, it is said no service, but very quickly we get the signal again. So sometimes a very quick reset like this is gonna get the job done. And if not, you can also try to enable the airplane mode like this, where it disconnects from the cellular network, and then wait a bit and re-enable it. So sometimes it helps to reset it. So yeah, this should in many cases work, and a lot of times it does get the job done. So that's what you need to do. But if not, try restarting the iPhone and also physically move to a different location, because sometimes you may not have the signal strength strong enough, right? So you can physically move around to see what happens, and at the end of the day you can reach out to your carrier to see if there isn't any problem with the actual SIM card. It might be outdated or no longer in service, right? Could be an option as well. Actually, in many cases it is the problem that the SIM card is likely inserted properly, but it is simply not supported anymore, or it could be locked. So if you get the pop-up with the PIN code, you naturally have to type that in. In most newer SIM cards, it's not even required anymore. Just like you could see in my case, it didn't really ask for anything, and now we have proper connection to the internet or to the cellular network. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your device. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future uploads.